Greetings and thank you for joining us in this short tutorial regarding in-mast furling and mid-boom sheeting. Once again, we would like to give a big shout out to everyone that has been following our channel and contributing with such great comments and positive response.
Please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you want to receive alerts to future videos, hit the notification bell.
We have added some links below where you can find detailed information regarding the pros and cons of such systems, but let's have a look at how they work. In our third video, we looked at traditional reefing with a batten mainsail and how the reefing lines work. The in-mast furling system is a much simpler system comprising of only two control lines. While it might seem completely new and complicated, it works very much the same way as the furling systems fitted to a forestay. The lines cause rotation, which then furls or unfurls the sail. The first line is known as the in-haul and wraps around a screw on the tube inside the mast. This line, shown here as blue, runs through blocks and leads to the safety of the cockpit, running through jammers or clutches. The outhaul, shown here as red, also leads from the cockpit, through clutches and blocks, along or inside the boom, and will be attached to the clew of the sail. This outhaul line allows us to unfurl the sail by pulling the clew to the desired location along the boom, and by unrolling this sail, it causes the in-mast tube to rotate. As the tube rotates, it winds up the in-haul line and the screw ensures it loads neatly. This works like a furling drum on a foresail system. Of course, for this action to occur, we will have to ensure that our lines are not locked, so we have to open up the relevant jammers or clutches. This will allow the lines to run freely and the in-haul can be furled. Once the action has been completed, jammers can be locked to ensure the outhaul stays in place and the sail is secure. The foot of the sail is attached to the tube to make sure the sail can furl when the tube is rotated. This rotation can be clockwise or an anti-clockwise setup. To furl the sail, first make sure the lines are not locked, which would prevent any sail movement. Now as we bring in the in-haul line, it will cause the rotation of the tube in the opposite direction, which will in turn furl in the sail and roll it neatly within the mast. All this from the safety of the cockpit. If we look at our fully deployed main, we will notice our reef points. Although we can reef the sail any size we like, the reef points mark certain percentages of our sail and are handy to use as reference points for certain conditions. By adjusting our in-haul and out-haul lines, we can adjust our sail area from reef 1 onto reef 2 and finally a triple reefed sail. Our boom on this particular vessel is controlled by a system known as mid-boom sheeting. This system uses the main sheet to control the sail angle, and as the name suggests, it is attached near the middle of the boom as opposed to the end. This main sheet line runs through a series of blocks which ensures even load and easy handling. The line is controlled from the cockpit and adjusted using a winch. This frees up a lot of space in the cockpit and can eliminate the need for a traveler, which in turn eliminates one more line. We simply sheet in or out depending on the angle of sail or the conditions. For all the pros and cons of both these systems, check the links below for more detailed information.